Hi, it's Grant here, and I just want to wish you a happy new year. Hope you all had a great Christmas. But seeing, we've just ended 2023, if you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you want to get started with options trading. And in this video, I want to show you the fastest and safest way to get started with options trading if you are a beginner. So as you can see, I'm in my trading screen, which happens to be Tastyworks. And if you want to get a Tastyworks account, I'll leave a link down below. But the question is, how do you get started options trading? Now, I've just put out a whole load of free challenge videos of how to get started with options trading. And if you've gone through all of that, kudos to you. If you haven't, just go to my channel and all of the videos are there. But you're probably thinking to yourself, well, what's the easiest way to get going or get started options trading? Well, you've only got two choices. First choice is to basically hunt out YouTube, find good channels, find good traders on YouTube, try and piece together all of the information, try and learn options trading yourself, try and open an account, try and pick stocks to trade, know when to get into the stocks, and basically learning it all through trial and error. No problem with that, but the problem with that is it's going to take you a long time and you're going to make a lot of mistakes. More than likely, you're going to lose quite a bit of money in the process. Now, eventually you might get it and you'll figure out a system that works for you, but it's going to be long, it's going to be painful, and it is going to be potentially expensive. Because what you've got to do is you've got to go and find sources of credible information, piece it all together in an unjumbled way, and then actually figure out which stocks to trade. And then once you know the stocks, how to get in, picking, price points in order to get in to the stocks with your options contracts. Not going to lie, it's difficult to do, and there's a steep learning curve in order to do it, like anything else. Now, what is the preferred way in order to get started trading options if you're a beginner? Well, my advice is to find an expert and basically follow their system and basically follow the picks that they give you. It's the fastest and best way to get going with options trading. Obviously, once you've followed someone for a while and you've got a grasp, then you can go off your own and do your own thing. But until you get to that stage, following an expert, learning their systems and techniques of trading options and getting the picks they give you is hands down the best way to get started if you're a beginner. Just like anything else, if you want to learn anything else, the best way to get going is to learn from someone who's already successful. So I've got something for you. Now, if you want to get started with options, I highly recommend a service called One Ticker Trader. I use it. I personally recommend it because I've used it. And the guy who runs this, Larry Benedict, is one of the top options trading experts in the world. He's got a 30-year career in options trading, ran his own hedge fund. And with this service, he is on a 10-trade winning run, meaning that all 10 trades that he's given out to his clients on One Ticker Trader have made a profit. And the beautiful thing about One Ticker Trader is a perfect way to get going quickly. If you want to trade options, perfect way to start, because basically you'll learn Larry's system of how to trade options, and then once you learn his system, he's basically going to give you when he finds trades to go into, basically you will be notified under the issues and updates here. Larry's system is really simple. It's called the One Ticker Retirement Plan. It's very simple, very easy to use if you're a beginner, because Larry's system all focuses around focusing on one stock time and time again and trading it multiple times a month, rather than having 5 or 10 different stocks and placing loads of different options trade on all of them. So it's very, very simple and it works. And this is the same system Larry used to generate hundreds of millions of dollars for his clients when he was a hedge fund manager. So let me just show you around One Ticker Trader and show you. So the first thing is issues and updates. That's where you're going to get a monthly newsletter, and also you're going to get all of the trade alerts. So the buy alerts will be on the trade alert, the sell alerts will be on the sell alert. Like I said, Larry, he's on a 10 trade winning run since his service was released last August. So yeah, the picks he gives you are absolutely spot on. Now the next thing you're going to get the special reports. So basically, you get Larry's Guide to Options, which gives you a crash course in options trading, and also you get another one, the One Ticker Retirement Plan, which is basically his strategy in a nutshell. Basically, the One Ticker Retirement Plan is basically how he chooses stocks and the process he goes through in finding ways to trade them. So yeah, absolutely gold. So once you've gone through these two, you're going to probably know more about options and 90% of traders out there. Next thing is a portfolio. These are all the different stocks that have been traded, and you've got videos here which basically tells you how to open trades using the recommended app that they use to place the trades called Think or Swim. So that is basically One Ticker Trader. The good thing about it is the content's really concise. You're not going to get, information overload here. There's just enough information so you understand the strategy, what options are, and then you're going to get trade alerts in order, whenever Larry's got a stock to trade with options or whether he's giving a sell alert. Anyway, I highly recommend it. I get a massive thumbs up from it. It's really helped me to understand options and get started with options. And I think it will really help you as well. So if you want to join One Ticker Trader, I'm going to put a link below. You can join today for just $19, which locks your membership in for a year. And you also get a 60-day money-back guarantee with that as well. So if you want to join One Ticker Trader, I'll put a link below, and why not check it out? And if you want to join, why not do it? In 4 acts of honesty and transparency, if you join, I do get a commission. It just helps me, to run, my channel. So anyway, that is my opinion. The fastest way to get going with options is to follow an expert. And in my opinion, I've not found a better expert than Larry Benedict for getting going with options. So that's what I've got for you. I wish you all the best for 2023. I really hope you really get going with options trading. And I'll see you in the next video.